Monday, July 15th, 12:09 p.m. New York time. Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. I'm going to discuss my day trades I took this morning. I day traded the futures on the S&P 500. Free market and during the New York session. My overall view of the market this morning was trading bullish. That alone is not restricting me to trade bearish. So the financial instrument I used again was the S&P 500, and it was the futures, the ES. Give you some insight. You're not situation aware, as many people are not. The S&P 500 futures is a derivative. Looking at the monthly charts, we're in the middle of the month. Yep, it's the 15th. It's the middle of the month. Look at that. Green candle, higher high, higher low. All-time new high. We're in a bullish market. Outstanding. With a weekly chart, we already took out the high of last week. It's the first trading day of the week, Monday. We already took out the high of last week. Nice. And the daily chart, all-time new high. Broke above this consolidation from last week. So when I came to the trading desk before 7 a.m. this time, before 7 a.m. New York time, I was looking at the top down at the 4-hour candles as well as the higher ones I showed you. And I saw this big red candle, big red 4-hour candle. That was from last week, as well as this one here. That green one is a bearish pin bar. We retested it here on this 4-hour one last week, which is above big round numbers. See that 5,700 horizontal line? Both times rejecting it. My thought was this morning, when I saw how the price action was going, we'll probably retest that. I'm thinking we're going to retest that because we had this big green candle last week. We tested it multiple times near midpoint, and we kept on making higher lows, showing bullish bias. Well, let me take you into this on the 1 hour. And that was that 4-hour high last week. You see overnight, the Asian session, the London session, higher lows, bullish bias. And we were rejecting here, quarters 57.75. Let me show you on the 15-minute. 15-minute S&P 500 futures, 5 days. Make it to simply 2 days. Again, big red horizontal line right here, 5,700. Horizontal. Remember, we tested it there with that 4-hour, rejected it there. And then overnight, last night, we had the Asian session here. We never took out that low Friday, so higher high. And again, this was a key area. Right here, 57.75 quarters. It was hovering over there. Buyers were still willing to buy it there. They didn't dump it. And then look, Asian session finished, coming into the London session. We're above it. We never went down and tested it. Can't show more bullish bias. And then this is the 9:30 to 10:30 New York session. Strong. Let me show you now how my trades went.
How did we see?
And again, I will show you here again, the 4-hour. I was expecting this to be retested. Doesn't mean it was all going to happen today. Doesn't mean it was going to be 100%, but somewhere in that area. And we did. We certainly did. We tested it and broke above it. So on the 1-minute chart, right here on the right, we're coming to the 0,700 New York session. This was a key level right here. This 1-hour high. That gray line. We broke above it. Yep, right there at 7 a.m. Broke above higher. So my first trade, I'm looking for a setup on the higher time frames. 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour. But I'm taking my trades on the 1 minute. I'm looking for the trigger here on the 1 minute. The time frames above there for the setups, the trends. Well, again, I was bullish bias. We had this right here. A lot of volatility between the 7 o'clock and 7:10. Show you on the 5 minute. There's the 5 minutes. A lot of volatility and move up. Well, I took my first trade bullish right here, right in that candle. 0711. I was thinking, okay, we have this dump, we have this retracement, we're going to go higher. And we did. Nice. 0711 low. Let's continue going forward. And I was moving my profit target up further and further because I was more bullish. Up longer. Get some couple of retracements. Look at these. Continue. Again, higher low, strong. Right there. I closed it after that second red candle. I was thinking that was consolidation. Looked like distribution was going to dump. So I got out before that huge move down. Out 0.734. That was a long trade. For me, that was a long trade. Yeah. Got in here, long here, and closed there for a profit. Good job out of me. That was my first trade. And my next trade wasn't until after the New York session opened. Let's continue going forward. 8 o'clock hour right there, that blue vertical line. Yeah, here I walked away for a few minutes and I saw this run up and I didn't want to chase it, so I didn't take it. 8:30 economic news right there. I don't want to be in a trade over that. You saw what it was. Look at that huge consolidation. Then we have the 9 o'clock hour. That's when that 4-hour candle gets done and the new one starts. So the 5 to 9 gets done. That was this red one. 5 to 9 right there. That got done. Then we come to the New York session to 9:30. 9:30 right here. That yellow vertical line starts the New York session 9:30. So I'm sitting on hands for a few minutes thinking maybe up to 10. Well, things went faster my way.
They could say it's indefinite shop.
Took a short. What was it? Right here. Oops.
But they still. Yeah.
9:34. Then I closed the same thing. So it was right here. Took a short right here, 9:34. And got out within that same minute. That was a profit. So that was a fast scalp to the downside. That was my second trade. That was profit. And the next one was 9:53. Here. I went long. That was a fast trade up, moved, and it closed with that same minute for profit. So my thought was, well, this 1 hour low here, we were defending it. And I wanted to wait for that rotation. It was on a 5 minute, 1 minute, look at that 1 minute here, rotation. So I missed getting that big move right here, that first 1 minute candle, but I got in right after, went higher, scalped, closed, took profits, and then it went to the consolidation phase. Next one was 9:59, close to that 10 o'clock hour. I went long here. I liked it. Saw these candles coming down, big wicks on the bottom. Shows me, or buyers kept them buying on the dips, and I'm waiting for the reverse. Had a reversal right there. Bought that reversal. Went long again. 9:59. Fast move up and closed it within the same minute. That was my profit. And then this other one was 10:08. Went long here. and fast move up, closed with that same 1 minute. So majority, let me see, were closed within less than 60 seconds. Other than that first one I first showed you. And the last one I took right here, 1020, went long here. I liked it. It's building consolidation here, showing buyers here, retested it here. Buyers stepped in. I wasn't confident yet. I was waiting for a bigger confirmation. And I liked the inside candle. 1 minute there. Got it. I'm thinking, yeah, we're probably going to go up, retest this 1 hour high. So it went long there, 1020, and closed there at 1022. Fast move up. And then after that, closed it right there. We had this consolidation thinking, okay, I'm not going to reload because we might have a retracement. And look what happened. We're coming, this again, this is the 930, this golden shaded here, 930 to 1030. And big blue vertical line, 1030. It took off like a rocket ship. Finally breaking above this big 5,700 level I showed you multiple times, the 4 hour one. They didn't think it was going to have enough energy to get up there because there's so much move already, volatility. Again, but the market's strong like bull. Went up there. Continue going higher. Nice. That would have been a nice retest to get long right here. So you had that breakout, retracement. Nice. And took out the prior day high here, right here. Big move up strong. First one tested there, rejected it, retracement, and big move up. See how it's going now. Yep, look at that. That was a blow off top. See how it looks. Zoom in. Yep, white candle, dodgy candle, blow off top, and huge dump. And thank goodness, I closed my profits fast. Big retracement right into here. And let's look at it in 5 minute. Make it to the end of the Asian session. I go, move up. Big return. So most of this time I was trading big green candles this morning. And then after the end of the London session in this range area, it's their evening, they reversed. That's it. Thank you for watching the video.